MBH Halloween, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have Mr. Punchy to unbox. My local store called me, and I picked it up. So, I really wanted this guy, and I'm so glad my store actually got him. They only got one in stock, so pretty good. $280, kind of pricey for him, but with the cube on, it's not too bad. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I am in the garage, with all my animatronics in here. It's slowly filling up for the haunted house. I'm gonna do a collection video soon, so I'm getting ready for that. So be looking forward for that. Okay, there's a weird like plastic piece right there. I don't know what that's for. Okay. There's foam on the top. Sorry if you hear cars going by. I am in, like I said, I'm in the garage, and the garage door is open. Here is his clothes and the inflatable ball part. Here's his shoulder bracket. I don't know if you can see that. It kind of blends into everything behind me. Okay, I got his hands, and yes, I have heard his hands are saran wrapped, so, you know, that's kind of strange. I've never seen that before. I'll do that later. They are big hands. I feel like they're almost the size of like Crouchy's hands, you know, or maybe a little bit smaller, but they are pretty cheap hands. They're plastic, but I don't think they'll break. It's not like the hard plastic that will crack or anything. It's kind of squishy. I mean, they're plastic, but yeah. Okay, I do see the head, but I think we're gonna save that for last. Or maybe not, because like, it's the easiest thing to get out. There's the head, Mr. Punchy's head. Of course, it is the half head, but I'm fine with that because the hair just makes it not look like half head. And in the haunted house, no one will be able to see. So, really cool. Really love him. Love his head sculpt. I love all the wire lights on his face, his mouth. I think that's really cool. The instructions, I think I know how to set them up, so I don't think we'll be needing those. So just if you're curious, if you can see that, there's not a glare. I don't know. Okay, I see the adapter just sitting there. There's the adapter. Oh, my head's not cut off. Okay, now here's the base and the mechanism. I think those are like zip tied together. So there's that part. That is, sorry for that. That is all the parts. So I'm gonna clear out the space and we'll look at all of his parts. So all of the parts, we have the head, the adapter, the hip loop and the other hip loop, the mechanism, 2 poles, the sandbags, the LED light, the shoulder frame, the 2 hands and arms, the clothes / inflatable, the base, and well, the instructions over there. So let's go ahead and start the setup. So it says put 12 pounds of sand in the base. I have 26 pounds in the base right now. 2 weights and a rock, so I think that's pretty good. Definitely don't want him to fall over. Okay. Here's his light. I think I may need to cut this zip tight. Where's this? Ooh. Can't pick up the scissors. Okay. Here's a light. Just decent, like a party light, really. Cut that over the... Okay, what's that knot? guessing that's pretty good. It's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, now you get the 2 support poles and snap lock them right there. Now his mechanism is like one of the lowest like mechs I've seen, which is weird. He's supposed to be 6.5 feet tall, but I don't know if he's, because I feel like he'll be short. Like all it has is, I don't know. I guess he will, maybe. We'll see, I guess. We'll see if he is the actual height that it says. Oh, hold on, I need to cut this off too. There we go. Now, the mechanism. Apparently he's leaned forward right now. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and connect these wires down here, the yellow wire. I don't know where the black one goes yet, so I don't know. We'll see. Probably to the fan, probably. Alright, hip loop part F. It wants us to get and attach right there, I'm pretty sure. Now we're gonna get the clothing or the inflatable part. Alright, so I got the clothing on, I think mostly all straight. Let me see, gotta cut more stuff off. Okay, now, should be able to put the shoulder front on. Then the other hip loop. Get it over that. Okay, just like that. Okay. Then I'll be back. I'm gonna fluff up the hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is as fluffed out as I could get it. I think that's pretty good. So I think we're gonna go ahead and slide that down, and the head just like slides on, like just like that. Well, maybe it goes on, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, connect the wires. There's one smaller one, one bigger one. It should be pretty self-explanatory. I think you should pull up the clothing. And I'll put the arms on, so I'll be back whenever I get the arms on. Alright, so the clothes are on. Maybe. Pull that one down right there.
Round and round I go. Where I stop, soon you'll know. I have a secret. Come closer and I'll tell you. Closer, closer. I have a secret. Come closer and I'll tell you. Closer, closer.